guys, welcome back to my channel. I got the James Charles palette and I used the blue shades in the palette, as you can see. I really like the palette. There was a little bit of a complication. It was a little bit patchy on my eye when I was blending it out, but honestly it was very pigmented. It didn't take a lot to build it up or anything like that. So like overall I really enjoy the palette. I really like it. I love the colors, well, the blues, because I only play with the blues. I do recommend it. If you haven't gotten your hands on it, I do think that you should. I know that every time it comes out it always sells out, so I don't know, find your nearest Ulta or I don't know, but get your hands on the palette. And if you want to see how I got this blue look using the palette, then just please keep on watching.
Hi guys, so we already have our eyes primed and I'm gonna go in to the James Charles palette and I'm gonna be taking the shade Playground, and with this defined crease brush I'm going to blend that blue shade and really intensify it as we keep blending the shade out. Like I always say in almost every video, we're going to add color, blend color, add color, blend color. So we're still adding color and blending color out. And as you can see, I'm winging it out more than I usually do my eyeshadows. And it's because I really wanted like a really like cat eye effect. I think that's what it's called. So I'm saying here that you could build it up to the intensity that you like it and that you want it, but I liked it like that. So I'm gonna go into the shade Cola now, and I'm just gonna take a smaller like defined brush and I'm gonna like blend it into my outer crease and straight into my crease. And yes, it looks crazy, but I promise at the end it all looks good. So with that brush, it's clean. I'm just blending it all out. And I'm adding a little bit of more Playground and adding a little bit of more Cola and then blending it out. So you see me do this a million times. I'm just cutting my crease, but what I do different now, since it's color, like it's a strong color and you can see underneath, I'm going to take a Q-tip and I'm gonna take my micellar water and I'm going to take off all of that concealer and the eyeshadow underneath, so when we put the white shade on top, you don't see the blue underneath. It'll be completely white. Now we're gonna go into the shade Flashback and we're just gonna set that concealer down. So now we're gonna take the glitters, Slinky Silver and Cobalt Crush from Bulk Glitters, and we're just gonna put that where the blue and the white meet, like in between that, if that makes any sense. Now we're going to go back into the shade Cola and we're going to blend that all together. Now we're going to do our little trick, and we're going to take that angle brush and we're going to carve out the cut crease more than what it is, so it can look more defined. So we're gonna just go back into the shades and like blend everything out. That shade, honestly, I don't know the name of it, but I'll leave it down below. And yeah, I just highlighted my brow bone with a matte shade and with that shade that we're doing right now. Now we're gonna take our Urban Decay eyeliner in Mainline, and we're gonna take our Dodo lashes in 301. Dude, these were the hardest things to put on. I don't know if it was just me or if it's just me, but they were so hard. And the thing is that the band is so thin, so I don't understand. Going back into the shade Playground, we're gonna smoke out our lower lash line. We're gonna go back into the shade Cola and we're gonna like smoke it out even more.
So that is the end of the video, guys. I hope I got good footage because I was so like in tune with doing my makeup and everything that I wasn't really paying attention to the camera. So I hope that it came out good. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys can maybe try it or something. I really liked it. I really enjoyed it. These lashes are like super popping, but they took me a really long time to put them on. But other than that, I really enjoyed it. I really, like I said in the intro, I really love the palette. So I don't think I have anything else to say. If you guys want to see me keep playing with the palette, just let me know. Which probably because it has like all the colors of the rainbow, so I think I want to do a series. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do a rainbow colored series. Like I did the blue, and I'm gonna do red, and then purple, and then orange, and then pink. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I haven't seen anybody do that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and please subscribe, because girl, we almost at 110 subscribers. I know that's not enough. That's not a lot, but to me it is, because there's 110 people watching my videos. Like, hello. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say, and thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.